This video will see how to upload your LLM model to HuggingFace account using and then use it in Python code. So I prepared my own LLM model from scratch and which I showed in my last video. So the video link is over here and this is that video you can refer to. I'll leave a post in the description below. So once your LLM is there or the model is created, which is basically if I go here, so this is my model, MiniGPT model. So how I can upload it in the my Hugging Face account. So there are couple of simple Python scripts. So this is the Python script which we'll use to upload the folder, complete folder to my Hugging Face account and then use it from there. So for that I'll be having another Python script. So before I done it, I'll just quickly like to show. So this is my Hugging Face account over here. If I go to my programmer world, which is my name. So this is one which I was testing just few minutes back. So this is my model already I have uploaded. But in this script, if you notice, I have changed the model name to 2. So a new model should get created. But before that, I'll also like to show something like you have to create something called access token. Okay. So this is also I created just few minutes back, but I'll create a new one to demonstrate in this particular video. You can name it anything, this token. So I name it token for testing LLM upload. You can name it anything as I told. And then the permissions what you will need is make sure you have the given the right permissions. If you don't have given, then it won't work. Okay, that's all I guess. And then you can just click create token. It will give you the token uh, token key. Just copy it and save it somewhere because you may not be able to see it again. And don't use my token anyway. I'll change it after this recording. And then go to your Hugging this one command prompt, and over here just type Hugging Face CLI. If it's not installed, you may have to install it. That I'm not covering in this video, but just install it. I think G was missing here. Yes, and once done that, it will prompt to give the access token. So just let's wait. Yeah, so it's, you have to just right click. It won't appear, and just press enter. It will ask whether the token get credentials. Yes, click yes, and it will take a while, and then that's all done. Now we are good to run this particular Python script which will upload this model. So let me run this. So Python upload, and it may take a while to run, but okay. So here I'm getting some error and says please make sure that this is it. So repo doesn't exist, probably create repo. So either we can do programmatically or I can manually also create. So I'll just show you manual part because that's more straightforward. Just go to your Hugging Face account again. Okay, this is done. So I can just click done here. You can go to my again to my either over there also you can go, or you can just directly click new model and give this name whatever you given. License I'll leave it as Apache 2.0 because that's one of the most open license. Anyone can use it. I don't mind others using my model, and just click create. So it will create you the template of this repo MiniGPT2. Right now, if you go to files and versions, it's kind of empty. Of course, readme is the default one which we get, but otherwise it's kind of empty. Now I come here and rerun that Python script, and now it will upload all the files one by one to my this particular repo over here. So yeah, it's 5% space. It should be pretty fast anyway. It's a very small model, just few megabytes, so it should be pretty quick. So let's wait. Perfect. So kind of is done. The 53 MB file. It took me a couple of minutes, depending upon your internet speed. It will take. So let me go back here and let me refresh and see all the files should appear here. Perfect. So see if all the model files, acceptances files and all are over here. So this is the main file, of course. Now let me go back to my ID, and over here now let me try to check this. So I have written another quick code, Python code, where it will just use the same model from my account programmer world, and then it will just tokenize it. So let's see how it works. So I have just used validating Hugging Face. Yeah, just click enter. It again may take a while because it will not download the same model into the Hugging Face cache, and from there to run it. So let's wait. Perfect. So that's done. So if I scroll up, so it took again a couple of minutes to just get all the model files to my local, and then it prints some output, right? Once upon a time there was, so this a starting token I'm giving is once upon a time, not a token, but you can say it's a prompt, and then asks it to complete it with a giving a maximum length of 50 characters. So that's what I think it's trying to do over here. It's just a test, so I'm just keeping it short and simple, just to show how it happened. Like so, you can go to your user in cache. You'll find Hugging Face, and so the moment you install a Hugging Face CLI or something, it will, this folder should come up. And that is in Hub. You'll go and you'll see all your models getting downloaded. So if you notice here, my programmer world mini GP2 got downloaded. This was from my previous attempt, just few minutes back. I tried this, but this is the another model which I got downloaded, and this is the model which I created locally. So even local folders gets stored here. But in this our case, it's using the programmer world mini GP2 because that's what we are asking it, programmer world mini GP2. So this is the model it's using. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this is useful. Thank you, and have a nice day.